Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I have another quick review for you. So first off, let me say thank you to Murad and INFLUENSTER for sending over this complimentary product for me to try. Today I'm going to try out the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. Look at it. First off, the color. That's what first caught my eye. So pretty. Look at it. Yes. So anyway, this is a concentrated serum with hexapeptide 9. It's supposed to repair the skin barrier in just 30 minutes at a cellular level. And initially when I read this, I'm like, what does cellular level mean? Well, I looked it up thanks to good old Google. And cellular level just means your cells. So this product is supposed to help hydrate your cells in your skin. Okay, so anyway, this is part of a 3-part system. It says it's supposed to be deeply reparative at the cellular level to make damaged skin healthy and strong, fortifying cells with 3 essential elements: hydration, fatty acids, and peptides. Now looking at my face here, yeah, my face has some dry patches, and I want to see what this can do, and will it really be hydrating? So I rub a little bit into my face, and I notice there's no smell to this. I mean, maybe a little bit of a skincare smell. This glides on very smooth, and as you can see, it disappears immediately into my skin. This product is not oily whatsoever. It's almost like I just rubbed water on my face and that's it. But also, what's nice about this is because I have sensitive skin, I was really worried if this was going to irritate my skin, and it has not irritated my skin at all, caused any breakouts or anything. And I've been using this product for the last 2 months. Also, I can use this product by itself without going in with a heavier moisturizer. That's how hydrating it is. So I'm just trying this out, and this was my first time trying it out. You're supposed to rub this on your skin AM and PM, so twice a day. It says apply an even layer of cellular hydration repair serum onto clean skin. Massage cellular hydration repair cream evenly over face and neck. Follow with Murad sunscreen during the day. So yeah, I did wipe this on my skin. I think I forgot my neck at that time. What I don't like about the packaging is, you can see part of that product got dripped down the side of the packaging, but I didn't want to waste that. So rubbing this in, my face actually feels hydrated. I was like, no, this is too thin. My face is going to feel dry again in 5 minutes. It actually didn't. So I really do like this. Now, this suggested retail price of this is $72. So I can't promise I'm going to purchase this after this is up, but it's sure nice to get this and be able to try it. Have you ever tried any products from Murad? Let me know down in the comments. And other than that, Roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.